Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVwire.com. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 live TV or IPTV players that can be installed on any Amazon Fire Stick, Fire TV, or Android TV device. But before diving in, a very important note here is that every live TV player that I'm going to talk about in this video can be installed from the Google Play Store. This includes the View Live TV player, Next TV, IM player, OTT player, and several others on this page. And I will leave a link to each of these Google Play Store pages in the video description below. Now, if you're using an Android TV device, you can simply install these using the Google Play Store links that will be provided below. So I'm going to plug in my Amazon Fire Stick now and show you guys my top 5 IPTV players that I use on my Fire Stick for an improved overall streaming experience. So let's dive in. So guys, I just plugged in my Fire TV Stick 4K Max, but guys, all of these live TV players can be installed on any variation of the Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV device. Before I go through each one here, I first want to note that I am connected to Surfshark VPN. I do not trust any unverified or third-party app developer, and I always ensure that I am connected to Surfshark VPN before using applications not available in the Amazon App Store. So I do have a special discount link for Surfshark that you can find below this video. And guys, not only is it the best discount available for Surfshark, but that also helps myself and this channel create more videos just like this one. So after I'm connected to Surfshark, one of the first players I want to point out here is IM Player. Now again, IM Player is available in the Google Play Store. It is not available in the Amazon App Store. So once I launch it, I'm going to click Allow. And you'll see here I also do not have any provider added. So another note I want to make in this video is I'm not going to, input any M3Us or extreme codes. I'm not going to add any playlists to these live TV players. I'm just going to show you around the interface and how you would input a playlist here. So this is IM Player, and I do enjoy the interface of IM Player. You'll see on the bottom there, it gives you options for a subreddit, it gives you a Discord channel for support, and it also gives you the website below. So if you were going to add a playlist from your service provider, all you would do is click Add Playlist here. And then you'll have different options provided by IM Player, M3U, XC API, which stands for Extreme Codes API, and then Stalker/MAG, or you could scan the QR code below there as well. So long story short, IM Player allows for M3U playlists, Extreme Codes API login, and the Stalker/MAG login method. So that is the first favorite IPTV player is IM Player. So if I hit the home button on my remote, the second IPTV player I want to show you is Next TV. And I also have individual video tutorials, guys, showing you how to install each one of these live TV players. So if I click it, it's going to prompt me to do an update. I'm going to click later. And here is what the interface looks like. Now, again, I do not have a playlist installed on Next TV. But you'll see the options here on top. We have home, live TV, replay, movies, and series. The setting icon here is on the far right if you want to adjust some of the settings here within Next TV. So I really like this interface here. Now, to add a playlist, all you would do is click this plus button here in the top right, click Add a Playlist, and you have an option to scan a QR code. There's Extreme Codes API set up here as it has the credentials. And it also has this OneStream. Now, I'm not sure what OneStream is, to be honest with you. But if your service offers Extreme Codes API login, Next TV is a great option. So I'm going to click the home button, and the next IPTV player I want to tell you about is OTT Player. Now, OTT Player is available in the Google Play Store if you're using an Android TV device, but I'm launching it on my Fire Stick, and if I scroll down and click Start, you'll see the options here. So it says Sign In, Sign Up, Import Playlist, and Settings. Now, you don't have to do sign in or sign up to use this. You can click Import Playlist, click Add, and then if you have a direct link, you can upload a file. You can use cloud services. So if you click direct link, click allow, click add, and then click direct link again. This will give you an option to add an M3U playlist link. So pretty seamless integration here with OTT Player. If I click the back button, I'm going to click settings and just show you around some settings here. You can select a media player. So I really like this option where it has, options for different media players. video scale, language, exit TV mode, etc., etc. So that is OTT Player in a nutshell. So I'm going to hit the home button on my remote. The next live TV player I want to talk about is IPTV Extreme Pro. Now this one is, again, also available inside the Google Play Store for installation on Android TV devices. And I'm going to give it a few seconds to boot up for the first time here. All right, so click Allow. And here is the interface of IPTV Extreme Pro. So on top here, we have playlists, we have groups, mode, search, and menu. So the first thing here you would do if you were to add a playlist is you'd click the playlist option here. And then here's a copy and a QR code. You could click menu. And by clicking menu, this will drop down a whole bunch of options. Settings, playlist, backup, restore, EPG download, etc., etc. So if you want to click playlist, you can do that. And then you would click add playlist. And here are the different integration methods for IPTV Extreme Pro. We have IPTV Extreme Portal, file or link to playlist, Mag Portal, and Extreme Codes API login. So it offers all your typical and popular, live TV login methods. If I scroll back here, again, that is one of the best features of this IPTV player is if you click menu, you'll see all the different features and settings here that you have control over. You have timers, you have parental controls, you can do a full TV guide, replays, force EPG download, backup, restore, sort, recently watched, refresh, settings, etc., etc. If you click settings, these are some of the more in-depth settings here. General settings, parental control, you can adjust video players, download live recording, appearance, electronic program guide, etc., etc. So that is IPTV Extreme Pro in a nutshell. So I'm going to hit the home button on my remote, and the fifth and final IPTV player I want to show you in this video is the View Live TV player. So I'm going to launch it from my home screen. I'm going to click Allow. And then here is the View Live TV player. So as I scroll through, very simple to use. Enter M3U URL, log in with Extreme Codes API, connect with Mac ID, or browse your playlist. So since M3U URL and Extreme Codes API are the two most popular, all you would do is just click whatever one your provider offers. You'd enter the name here, you'd enter the M3U URL right here, and you would click Add User, and off you would go with the View Live TV player. So that's it, guys. Those are my top 5 live TV or IPTV players for the Amazon Fire Stick, Fire TV, or Android TV devices. Now, the final thing I'm going to show you in this video is what you would do if you wanted to install one of these live TV players, since they are not available in the Amazon App Store. So the very first thing we would need to do is hover over the left here and hover over Find, click Search, and we need to install the Downloader app. Now, if you already have the Downloader app, you can simply skip ahead to the later steps, but I'm just showing this for people who are beginners to this type of technology, and I'm going to click Downloader under Apps and Games here, that orange icon. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And this will take you to the Downloader installation page. Click Download, and then wait a few seconds for Downloader to install on your Fire Stick. All right, after the Downloader app has been installed, go ahead and click the Home button on your remote, and then I'm going to scroll down and then hover over the settings icon here on the far right. So if you hover over the settings icon, scroll down and click My Fire TV, then click About, and you're going to click Fire TV Stick 4K Max about 7 times or whatever your device says here until you see the message below that states no need, you are already a developer. Once you see that message, click the back button, click Developer Options, click Install Unknown Apps, and then you should see an option for Downloader here. Click Downloader and turn that on. So we've now turned on the ability for Downloader to install unknown apps on our Fire Stick. So now I'm going to click the Home button on my remote, and if I scroll down under Recently Used Apps, you should see Downloader right here. Go ahead and click that to launch it. Click Allow, click OK, and then once you are on the home screen of Downloader, click this search box here, and I'm going to enter the following code, 298344. Double check that for accuracy, and then click Go. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to redirect you to the IPTV Wire Quick Links page. All right, now once you are on the IPTV Wire Quick Links page, a few things here that I would suggest doing. Number one is I would X out of these annoying messages that pop up on the bottom, so X out of that. And then I would also save this to favorites. So come on the top right and click this button here with the 3 lines, click Add Current Page to Favorites, click Save, and now Quick Links has been saved to your favorites inside Downloader. So I'm going to X out of this message here. Now to install one of these free live TV or IPTV applications, all you would do is scroll down and you will see a category here that says live TV players. And if you scroll through here, I have about a dozen of the best live TV players that you can choose from. So you'll see some of the names that I just talked about: Next TV, View TV, T Player, OTT Navigator, Sparkle TV, IM Player, So Player, Perfect Player, IPTV Extreme Pro, etc., etc. Now to install one of these as an example, I'm going to scroll down and just pick one here. So I'm going to do T Player. Now I didn't go over T Player, but it still is a quality live TV player. So all you would do to install any live TV player on this page is you would click T Player, whatever app you want to install, and it would launch the installation screen just like this one. You'd give it a few seconds for the file to download. You would click Install right here and then give it a few more seconds to install on your Fire Stick. And then you would see a message below that says T Player ready to launch. So I'm going to click Done, click Delete again, hit the Home button on my remote, and then you would scroll over here to this option by your settings icon, and that will launch your apps and channels. And if I scroll down, you'll see T Player, whatever live TV player you wanted to install towards the bottom here. Click the Options button on your remote, click Move, and if you scroll up, you would drop it wherever you want. I'm going to drop it right here, and that's it. That is how you install one of these free live TV or IPTV players on your Amazon Fire Stick. So again, guys, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video. Also, be sure to leave me a comment below. I do enjoy going through all of your guys' comments. And also be sure to check out the special discount link for Surfshark VPN that will protect yourself online. So again, guys, this is Bodie, and I hope you all have a great day.